Toi Time. I'm so excited to see your beautiful face. I've been waiting for you. Whakarongo. It's the Toi Time trumpets. Do you know what that means? It's Toi Time. Ho'ake tātou.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it, spin it, spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Figure in your mind, it's Toi time. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's Toi Time, fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Doja Ma, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moy, yeah, we on my cuss. I'll tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on Toi Time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toi time!
Kia ora.
A growth chart. How cool.
Ooh, shall we see how tall you are, Ricky?
Yes, please.
Hey.
There you go.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, I'm 175 centimetres. I must have grown. Must have been all of my mum's cooking.
I want to know how tall I am. Can I have a turn?
Of course, Jojo.
Okay. 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 You are 160 centimetres, Jojo.
Oh. I thought I was going to be up here, but I'm the same height I was last year. I'll definitely stop growing.
Well, precious things come in all shapes and sizes, Jojo.
Thanks, Maya. Your turn?
Oh, yes, please.
Oh.
Hey.
Okay, so... Oh, no way. 175 centimetres too. Just like me.
I haven't grown either.
Oh, well, you and Jojo must have reached your perfect heights already.
Oh, that's a nice way to think about it, Ricky.
What else can we measure?
Oh,
I know.
that's a good one, Jojo. Oh, cheetah. Oh, Kiwi are so cute and little.
You were right, Maya. Precious things do come in all different shapes and sizes.
And even though it's small, it's still a treasure. Ahakoa he iti, he pounamu.
Ooh, the bird.
Yeah. Kitty.
I used to be so little like a seed, but now I'm blooming like a flower in the spring. Every passing season will bring something new, and I have family and friends to help me through. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting strong. With every passing season, I transform. With all these little changes I've undergone, I'll be a proper growing up before too long. I'm getting older every single day, more unique in my own special kind of way. Even more adventures to be had, it's true, and I have family and friends to help me through. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting strong. With every passing season, I transform. With all these little changes I've undergone, I'll be a proper growing up before too long. Sometimes growing up can be so very hard, but when the times are tough, don't forget that you are loved. I'm growing up fast, yeah, I'm getting
Are you okay, Ricky?
Yeah, it's my favourite top. It doesn't feel right.
That's because it's too small. You must have grown, Ricky.
Oh, I have grown. The ground does look a bit further away. I think I need to find a bigger favourite top.
Oh, and I need to get to my new martial arts class. I'm a bit nervous because I won't know anyone.
Don't worry, Jojo. You're really kind and fun to be around. I'm sure you'll make lots of new friends there.
Yeah.
Thanks, Maya. I'll see you later.
Ngā mihi o te wā e te whānau. I'm Auntie Anika and I'm on holiday! Woo! It's fun going on holiday, but sometimes it means being away from your favourite people. Look. My favourite people. See? Maya, Jojo, Ricky, Buzz, Tama, Wolfie and Uma. I really miss those guys when I'm away. Anyway, but if you miss someone special when you're away, you can give them a call and say, kia ora. Oh, wait, just make sure you check the time. You don't want to call in the middle of the night or something. Kia ora.
Auntie Anika! Oh, it's so good to hear your voice.
Even when I do silly things like this.
Especially when you do silly things like that. I love you, Auntie Anika.
I love you too, Maya. Give a big squeeze to the Toi Time whānau from me, OK? And I'll see you when I get home.
OK, I will. Bye.
Ka kite. See, I feel better after talking to Maya. Now, where was I? That's right. Being on holiday is so relaxing. OK, that's enough relaxing. I'm going to go kick a ball around now. Bye!
Kia ora, my cousins. No mai hoki mai anō kia Toi Time. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm making a big change. I'm moving up to a big bed. Hoake tātou. Come on, I think I found a bed over here. Whoa! Check out this cool-ass bed. It's like a clam. Hey, look. I could probably put some stuff in there. Oh, I do like pink, but I think it's a bit small. I'm gonna try something else. Ladies. Oh, love me a bunk bed. Oh, that's real soft. It's a racing car bed. Oh. Whoa! Check it out! It's a racing car bed. It's even got wheels that spins. Look! I'm gonna try this one out. Oh, okay, let's try this one out. Oh, sweet goodness. It's so nice. But look, my feet are dangling over the edge. It's too small. I better find something bigger. Come on! Whoa! Check this out! It's got a place for you to do your mahi and a place for you to have a mean-ass moi. I'm gonna try this one out. Oh, it's pretty nice, but this one's a bit small as well. I see something over there. Come on! Oh, this bed is perfect. It's so soft and cuddly. And look, it's got a blue blanket that matches my blue shirt. Oh, this has been awesome, cuzzies. Ka kite anō.
Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. We could go to another island. We could get there by plane or boat. When we get there, we'll send a postcard to our friends that are back at home. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? 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 We could visit another city. We could play on a different beach. We could travel out to the country. See some animals, what a treat. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. Oh, 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 over land, over sea. Oh, 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 I can't wait to go traveling. There is so much we can see. Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go? Hey Jojo, where shall we go?
Henry?
Oh, what do you call that move, Jojo?
The pork chop.
Well, if that's the pork chop, then I guess this is the lamb chop.
A nice one, Buzz. Hey, which native New Zealand bird is the best at martial arts?
Ooh, I don't know.
The cow.
Oh, good one, Jojo. Hey, knock, knock.
Who's there?
Aren't you?
Aren't you who?
Oh, aren't you ready for Takoro time? Let's go.
Wait, I thought you said it was Takoro time.
It is Takoro time.
But where are the toys?
Oh, well, today we are the toys with a little help from this fielding.
Oh, is that supposed to be a donkey's tail?
All right, today we're playing Wonky Donkey. Whoever is the donkey will stand in the middle. That'll be me for this round. Oh, neck it. Okay, and then I will cover my eyes. One of you will come up and shake my tail and say, Wonky Donkey. And I have to guess who it is.
Okay, and if you get it right, does that person become the donkey?
Aye, you got it.
All right, let's get started.
Ooh. I'm hearing footsteps.
Onky donkey.
Ooh, okay, that's definitely Jojo or Maya. I'm gonna go with Maya.
Wrong. It was me, Jojo.
Wonky donkey.
Tama. Hey, is that you, Tama?
No, Tama's not here. It was me, Ricky.
Man, this game is harder than I thought. Maya. Definitely Maya. Absolutely Maya.
Ah, great guess, Buzz. My turn.
Yeah. Oh. Yep.
Onky donkey. I'd know that voice anywhere. Jojo.
This is fun. Thanks for teaching us a new game, Buzz.
Hey, let's play again. Yeah, Jojo, your turn.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Wolfie, who's this?
This is my new wolf cub baby brother. He was born a few days ago.
Oh, what's his name?
Oh, Whānau. It means little wolf.
Lovely to meet you, whānau.
Would you like to pet him?
Oh, yes, please. I'll be really gentle.
Or maybe we could sing him a song to help him go to sleep, Oma.
Oh, that's a wonderful idea, Wolfie.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
It worked. Whānau has gone to sleep.
Isn't he cute?
Oh, he's so cute. Almost as cute as you, Wolfie.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Today's my birthday. I am 5. It's my last day at Kinley.
Give me your hat.
I get to sing the special chair. I want a special corduroy.
This is our special corduroy for graduation.
My mom says,
Wheels on the bus go round and round.
my favorite song.
The wheels on the bus go round and round.
My teachers show very lovely.
Can you see how small he was?
There's a haka. Everyone says goodbye.
Thank you so much.
And they make a special tunnel. I had fun at Kinley. Then I'll be going to school.
Hey, Mōhio,
Kia ora, Riki. How can I help you today?
when someone moves into a new house, how do all their things get from their old house to their new house? Do they use a crane?
If they don't have a lot of things to move, some people use a car with a trailer on the back. They wouldn't use a crane.
What if they do have a lot of things, like beds and tables and chairs and a fridge and a trampoline?
Sometimes people use a moving truck. It gets loaded up with all their things and delivered to the new home.
Oh, uh-oh. I think it's about to rain. I need a moving truck for all my toys. Thanks, Mōhio.
What can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky? What can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky? Can you see the stars shining so brightly? Can you see the sun
does it hold mystery for you? Poo-dee-dee-wah, poo-dee-dee-wah, what can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky? Can you see me wave, so happy to glimpse you? Does the wind kiss your face as you flutter your wings? Do you love this world, or does it hold mystery for you? Poo-dee-dee-wah, poo-dee-dee-wah, what can you see when you're floating above me, high in the sky?
Kia ora and welcome to What's in the Box. Maya, I know how much you miss Auntie Anika when she's away, so I've put a lot of thought in today's What's in the Box. I think you'll love it.
Thanks, Jojo. Oh, is Auntie Anika in there?
I wish she was small enough to fit in there. Auntie Nika's too big to fit in the box. It's something to help you feel better about her being away, though.
That sounds good, Jojo. Thank you.
Are you ready to find out what's in the box?
Ai, kwarite. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Feels like a roll. Is it a roll of stickers?
They are stickers of sorts, but they are special stickers that go on special things that you send to special people.
Okay, special stickers for special things that you send to special people. Oh, I know. Are they stamps to go on letters that you send to people?
Yes.
Stamps are beautiful.
Some people like to collect them and keep them in a special stamp collector's book.
Hey, maybe we could use one of these stamps to send a letter to Auntie Anika.
I thought you might say that, Maya.
Oh. Okay. This one. Okay. Dear Auntie Anika, we hope you're having a great holiday. Aroha nui, Maya,
Jojo.
and Jojo. Love heart.
And the stamp goes here. Now all we need is a post box.
Thank you, Jojo. I do feel better now. You're a great friend.
You're welcome.
My name is Yanni. And this is my dad. His name was Jay. This is my mom's name. In the tummy has my sister. I'm so excited because I have a little sister.
Yes. Look, the rock and roll.
These are my photos of my sister. I have special things to give my sister. I'll teach her how to be safe. This is about a boy who was thrown into the middle of the accelerator. I'll help her to say some words. We will take my sister for a walk.
Yeah, it's
She will love the bush. There are 3 of us now. Soon will be 4 of us. I can't wait to meet my sister. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Jaya, and this is a story about flying kites. It was the first day of the summer holidays in Kirikiriroa. The air was filled with the promise of adventure as the strong breeze danced through the trees. Arya and Rohan exchanged excited glances. It was the perfect weather to fly kites. Eagerly, Abhi and Anu grabbed their big, beautiful paper kite and rushed to the nearby hill. The sky stretched out before them, not a cloud in sight, waiting for their kite to take flight. First, Rohan had a go, but he couldn't even get his kite in the air. Then, Arya had a go, but her kite got stuck in a tree. As they pulled it down, Dad appeared with a knowing smile. If you want to fly a kite, teamwork is key, Dad explained. Holding the string together, feel the wind's rhythm and watch your kite soar. Rohan and Arya nodded, their face determined. With their hands joined on the string, they released the kite into the air. The wind caught its wings and the paper kite fluttered and danced, soaring higher and higher. Laughter echoed through the hills as the trio reveled in the joy of flying their beautiful kites together. See you next time.
We're about to wave goodbye to Tama.
I spend some of the time here at the Toi Time house and some of the time with my other whānau at their house. Beep, beep.
Taxi's here.
Bye, Tama.
See you soon.
Hi, Rera.
Hi, Rera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō whā soi whā.